to allow eating on Christmas?
No. This is called Amuria.
Hey, what's up, people? Today's really a very special day. So I'm here with Sarah and we are shooting some content about urban farming. So guys, I'm here with this guy.
Yes, UG
Lawless. Okay. We now UG Connect, but he's Lawless.
Yes.
And I'm also here.
Yeah, Sarah Pedum.
Sarah Pedum needs no introduction on my channel. You all know her. So
I'm here having a farm tour of Sarah. She's such an inspiring lady, and I thought this story would be so inspiring to many Ugandans out there. She grows her own food on this small piece of land just around her house. She has medicinal plants, and everyone who's going to watch this video, I'm assuring you, you're going to find a lot of priceless information in it. Cindy,
thank you for that.
So you had Lawrence, the guy behind UG Connect. He does some great content. Please, I'm leaving a link immediately. You have to forgive me, I always say I will leave a link and I forget, but today I'm leaving a link for UG Connect, and you subscribe when you watch this channel. Guys, thank you. We are continuing with urban farming here, touring Sarah Pedoni's farm.
If you've heard about Amuria district in the east, it has a lot of this. This is called Amuria.
Amuria.
Yeah.
What does it do?
The wild berries, very sweet.
Okay.
Wild berries, and there's so many in Amuria. That's why I think that's why the district is called Amuria. Malabar spinach. It's very tasty, very tender and tasty. Tastes just like our spinach or dodo. So this you can plant from a cutting. You just cut and plant, or you use the seeds. And I'll show you down there. Seeds fell and everywhere is Malabar spinach.
Ndako. 3, 2, 1, go.
Sometimes I like for them to just park down.
People allow eating on Christmas.
No.